Chinkitan.
Chinkitan. Chinkitan.
Chinkitan.
Chinkitan.
I want to really teach the Filipinos to become debt-free.
So ano solusyon natin? Paano tayo makakasave?
Just invited here, no?
60 days. 60 days.
Windows down when I blow.
Hi, Chinky. Hello. I learned a lot.
Marami kami natutunan sa kanya.
From Chinkitan, I've learned that there are no limitations.
The mindset, you have to change it.
Money is nothing kung hindi mo naman i-spend with your family or your loved one. As a student, I learned in the seminar of Chinkitan that being debt-free will lead you to success. Especially about budgeting and you have to save in a biblical way.
The money is a good servant of the
Ibang bayan na yung hello. No.
Sino mga sa inyo na nanalangin na sana mawala ng utang nyo? Pakitaas sa mga kamay.
Ano ba? No words.
Chinkitan is a dynamic speaker. Very funny. Animated.
Chinkitan as a speaker is really great.
Pumunta siya ng stage. Nakuha niya lahat ng attention and it was like
He has the ability na, sabi nga, to glue you on your seats. Ano?
parang I don't know, amazing.
You need to make a decision. Either
Very good. This is the first time I heard him. But I would rank him one of the best. Very motivational.
Captivate the audience.
very clear and personal.
Masaya lahat.
And he also shares authentically.
First team man is more confident me. Everybody please say their name.
I'm trying to get there. And this life sentence that I'm serving, I admit that I'm every bit deserving. But the beauty of grace is that it makes life not fair.
Yeah, please do attend any workshop of Mr. Chinky.
You learn a lot, very practical. You can use it on a daily basis.
Please do attend the upcoming seminars of
Seminar of Mr. Chinkitan.
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 Mr. Chinkitan.
Here, 'cause I'm afraid